you need to prepare, right? And that is why in this video, already knowing how critical literature as a subject is to you getting admission, it is very essential coupled with use of English for your admission. That is why I am getting my time to do quite a series of videos for you on literature. What you are watching now is part 2. We've done part 1. This you are watching is part 2. There is also part 3, part 4, and all the rest. So I need you to focus. Let nothing distract you, right? This JAMB exam will not be easy. I will be truthful to you. JAMB exam is complex. JAMB exam is strictly monitored. JAMB exam is not like WAEC or NECO. So I want you to focus and pay attention, right? Okay, let's start with number 1. Number 1. A character who works against the hero of a play or a novel is the dash. A character who works against the hero of a play or a novel is the dash. A. Antagonist. B. Protagonist. C. Anti-hero. D. Clown. A character who works against or who is the enemy of the hero. Hero is the main character. A character who works against the hero of a play is called an antagonist. That is why they say stop antagonizing him or stop antagonizing me. That means stop working against me, right? Antagonism is working against something. Now the hero, the main character, the main actor in a drama or in a play or novel is called the protagonist. Say it after me. Protagonist is the main the main character, the main character like our people will say. But the antagonist is the enemy or his enemy, someone that works against him. Do you understand? Look at this number 2 question. Remember, if you watch this video you are watching now from beginning to the end, if you watch it from now till the end, I'm going to do a favor. I'm going to give you free gifts, and that gift will be free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllables. If you watch this video till the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB, sorry for the noise area, you will qualify to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllables from me, right? If you watch till the end. He fights like a tiger whenever he is provoked is an example of dash. A. Assonance. B. Hyperbole. C. Simile. D. Personification. I want to give you an assignment. The answer is actually simile. Come and tell me why it is simile. Come under the comment and tell me why it is simile. He fights like a tiger whenever he is provoked. Come under the comment and tell me why it is tiger. It is similar. Now, the more you watch the videos I make on literature and some other subjects, the more prepared you are for the exam. Remember also that beyond the videos I make on literature, ensure you get your literary tests, those approved novels, both Nigerian novels, West African novels, and general novels. If you don't have the list of recommended novels for JAMB for literature, please let me know. If you already know the list of the novels for literature and the authors, please type it for me in the comment section. It's very, very, very important, okay? An epistolary method of writing a novel is a method whereby a novel is written in form of dash. An epistolary method of writing a novel is a method whereby a novel is written in the form of dash. A. Essay. B. Letter. C. Drama. D. Dialogue. The answer actually is letter. Remember, the letters that Paul wrote in the Bible are called epistles of Paul. Epistles. So letters are also called epistles. So when a novel is written as a letter, I know of a novel where written in such a way that a mom is writing a letter to his son, right? Or a dad is writing a letter to his unborn child, okay? These are all epistolary method of writing novels. Are you still with me? If the videos I make are being helpful to you, please let me know. Share with me how these videos are helping you. Knowing that the videos I make help you will encourage me to make more videos. I am very busy. I spend a lot of time daily. I try to post 1 or 2 videos for you every day. I spend time once I come back from my office to make these videos. So I need to know that I'm not wasting my time. I need to know that we are not taking these videos for granted. I need to know that we are more serious, even more serious than I am, to enter school this year. I want you to claim it. You enter school this year. You will score 300 and above, right? I want you to claim that you will not be one of those that will be ashamed of your JAMB result. You will be one of those that will come back proud to tell me, sir, I've gotten my admission. Oh. You will even invite me for your matriculation. So I want you to be proud. I mean, I want you to claim it in the comment section. Tell me, I claim it. A simple story with a deeper meaning is called and dash. A simple story with a deeper meaning is called and dash. A. Allegory. B. Ode. C. Epic. D. Allegory. I remember this book. What is this book by John Bunyan? Pilgrim's Progress. Pilgrim's Progress is actually an allegory where a story is a simple story, but it has a deeper meaning. Each of the characters, each of the story, each of the scene portrays something deeper than just the simple story. Okay, so allegory is a simple story with a deeper meaning. Are you following? If you are learning from these videos, please let me know. If I'm not wasting my time, let me know. If you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on use of English, tell me. Just tell me your subject and tell me to give you access to all the videos I've done on them, and I could share them with you. Okay? I've also done a lot of videos on the JAMB novel for this year. I think for this year it's Lucky Headmaster. Or tell me your own novel this year. I can give you the over 50 videos I've done on it. The repetition of a sentence or phrase in succession using the same structure is known as dash. The repetition of a sentence or phrase in succession using the same structure is known as dash. A. Paratactic structure. B. Similarity. C. Parallelism. Parallelism. D. Repetitive structure. The answer is parallelism. Now, if I were you, any concept that I mention as I'm reading or as I'm teaching you, I will jot it down and read it up. That is how to know a serious student too. That is how to know somebody. I won't do all the work for you. My own is to open your eyes, give you Expo question, give you past question, give you the answer, right? But you must do the due diligence. Note all these areas. Anyone I mentioned that you don't understand, go back and feast on them, eat them, study them. They stop Google, they stop your textbook, they stop your teacher, they stop me. Ask me your questions, ask your teachers your question. Go to Google, embrace your textbook. Don't wake up in the night and study. Study as if your life depends on it. JAMB is just a few times. Over 2 million candidates have registered. This is the highest time that JAMB is getting more than 1 million candidates. They have over 2 million. That is to say that the competition for admission this year no go. It will be tough. It will be tough. If I were you, I will study hard. The repetition of the same consonant sound at the beginning of words or in stressed syllables of an English phrase is known as that. The petition of the same consonant is actually the repetition of the same consonants at the beginning of word or in stressed syllables of an English phrase is known as dash. A. Alternation. B. Alliteration. C. Emphasis. D. Irony. The answer is alliteration. Alliteration. If I were you, I would write it down and eat it up. That is, dig deeper. Dig deeper. A serious work of art that ends on a sad note is dash. A serious work of art that ends in a sad note is that A. Tragedy. B. Comedy. C. Tragic comedy. D. Sad story. The answer is tragedy. It could be a story, it could be a drama, it could be a novel. As far as it ends with sad notes, sadly, it is called Tragedy. Then the opposite of tragedy is what? What is the opposite of tragedy? Please come under the comments and tell me. That is one of your assignments. What is the opposite of tragedy? Tell me in the comment section. The second assignment I want to give you is, tell me the difference between parts of speech and figures of speech. Tell me the difference between parts of speech and figures of speech. That is the second assignment for this video. Then the third assignment is, mention any 10 figures of speech you know. Mention any 10 figures of speech you know. Write these things down. Whenever I give you an assignment, be obedient and don't jump them. That is how to show that you are ready for this exam. And assignments I give them for a reason. There's already something I see in your coming exam that is making me to point out those particular areas. So you might actually jump and pass, and it will be staring right at you in the exam hall, and then I won't be there. Okay, let's look at question number 8. A brief reference to a person, an event, or in a place in a work of art is called dash. A brief reference, that is very brief, reference to a person, an event, or a place in a work of art is called dash. A. Reference in B. Ambiguity C. Allusion D. Atmosphere. The answer is allusion. They alluded to that event or that place just briefly. Just what? Briefly. They did not spend much time. Number 9. Are you still with me? Remember, in JAMB exam, one of the reasons why you need to be much more serious than you are right now. I know you are serious. If not, you will not be watching this video. I know you are doing your best. But sister, or less brother, until your JAMB result is out, until you write your JAMB, your screening, and enter at school, you are not yet doing enough. So don't tell me you are reading. I need you to read more. If you are reading for 30 minutes, make it 1 hour. If you are reading for 1 hour, please double it. Double it. Somebody say double it. Tell the people at the back of this our class. Shout it so that they will hear. Double your effort. I want to receive multiple testimonies by the time JAMB result is out. I want to receive multiple testimonies from members of this channel. Let me tell you, you will gain admission this year. I want you to claim it. You will score 300 or and above, a minimum of 300. I want you to claim it. You will not be among those that will get 130, 150, 170. No, I reject it on your behalf. You will score high. You will enter school. I want you to claim it in the comment section. Tell me I claim it. I need to know you are claiming it. And if you are claiming it, what follows is seriousness. Double your hustle, double your effort, double your reading. Wake up and study. Okay? Robinson Crusoe, in Daniel Defoe's novel Robinson Crusoe is a or and dash character. A. I've read that book far back. Okay? A. Sad character. B. A. Eponymous character. C. Weak character. D. Circumstantial character. The answer is eponymous character. Go over now to your Google or dictionary or textbook. Tell me the meaning. That is 4th or 5th assignment. Tell me, define eponymous for me. I've told you, whenever I am teaching, don't jump and pass. Anytime you encounter any word or phrase or concept I mention that you don't understand, don't close your eyes. These things will come out in your exam. These things will show up in your exam. So do not ignore them. Do not ignore them. JAMB may twist it. They may not set it exactly the way I said it, but it is still the same concept. So go over and read. Beyond also what I teach, I've told you your novels are very important. Pick those novels, read them cover to cover. As an art student, you should study. Why science students are battling with their calculations, you should be battling with what? Covering all the novels. They may be voluminous, but it's not an excuse. Sit down and read. If you have any challenge, anything preventing you from reading and passing and making us proud, tell me in the comment section. A recurring idea, image, or a group of images that unifies a work of literature is dash. A recurring idea. Understand the question though. A recurring idea, image, or a group of images that unifies a work of literature is dash. A. Legend. B. Motif. C. Anecdote. D. Allusion. A recurring idea, image, or group of images that unifies a work of literature is dash. A. Legend. B. Motif. C. Anecdote. D. Allusion. The answer is motif. Motif. M-O-T-I-F. Motif. Motif. In our next video, part 3, we'll continue from where we stop. Remember, to get the materials I promised you, do 4 things. Number 1 is more than compulsory. Number 1 is mandatory. 1. Join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join in our channel, Noble Tutorial. Click on join and join. It is an investment into your future, so don't dodge it. Don't dodge it. Go ahead and join if you have not joined our channel. Become a member right now. Number 2, like this video. Do what? Like this video. Click on like. Number 3, share this video. Very, very important. Click on share. Share this video here on YouTube. Click on share. Copy the link. Share it on WhatsApp group, on Telegram channel groups, on Facebook groups, on Twitter, and all the platforms you belong to. Send it to your class WhatsApp group. Send it to all the WhatsApp groups we belong to for JAMB. Send it to your friends. Then also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Once you do that, come under this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you those materials. I want to see that serious candidate that will answer all the questions I gave in this part 2. I'm waiting for the answer in the comment section. Remember, there's a video I left for you on the screen now. Click on it and watch next.